Go! 4 to 10. Left what?
You said first and 10 wins?
Okay.
First and 10 wins?
Oh, yeah. You do that too. We're good. Here we go. Go inside. 2-1. Oh, my bad. I'm doing everything over here. I'll do it later. No, don't have to. Cut that off. 3-1. Just a bit. 3-1. Here we go. No, inside. Here we go. We got done. Done down.
Yeah, I'm right there, so you're not going to be yelling about fucking here.
Oh, I'm going to be yelling.
Don't make me yelling.
I'll show you out. D-right!
That's not. That's no, we're not having that.
1-2.
Hey, Mac, do something here.
One down! We got one! Here we go! Play! What's up? 3-1. You're in home run with us today, Blake. Somebody on your team. Right! Double! Hey, I need a ball. Hey, whoever's got this raid, that's his last warning. I didn't say anything. That's his last warning. Coach, you better tell him. I'm putting going over now. They need a ball. I didn't get my first one yet. No, they don't want you to. You guys, it's up to you guys. Three-one inside. Everything's inside so far. 3-1. 3-1. Nope, hit the cleat. Hit the Here we go. We got.
Don't throw my bat, Zach.
1 down, 2-1. 1 down, 2-1. Here we go. He presses it up 2. Hey, that's one. Write that down on your book. Hey, that's the second home run I ever hit here today. Blake Sam hit one, and now they hit.
Oh, just kept going.
No. I'm saying second hit. Yeah, 2 home runs at Warner's Field. That's all. You would think it'd be more. They should have a special.
Good job, Cordy.
Here we go, 1 down. Oh, is it? 2-1.
Great job.
Nope, just a little bit out. I mean, into him, but after you. That's 3-1. Right, 2. Here we go. Full count. Got to be fair. Here we go. 1 down.
Good job, Tyler.
My butthole clenched.
Hey, Jason Piper.
That's your last warning. What? 2-1. 3-1. D-Rag! 2 right on that corner. Full count, you got it. See what you want. Play! 77 years old.
Hey, Juan, go.
I ain't doing that to no pitcher. Hit the plate, 2-1. Right there in the corner. 2-2, that's the height. That's the limit on the height. Good job! I get into the game. I take leads in the corner. Out of play! Yes. Come on, baby.
No, Paul.
I just want to say touch it.
Touch it.
I don't like the sheriff, buddy. I'm not a sheriff. I bite. Yep. Yeah, so I'll get yeah. We got 2.
I know.
2-1 inside. 31. D-Rag! 2. Full count, gotta be fair. Here we go. Get it. Sing!
He said, I think
That's what I'm sorry. Here we go. 2 downs, play. Right in front of you. 2 down. We got 2. Here we go. 2 down. Here we go. 2 down. Here we go. Right. Yep. Down. 2 down. 2 down. There you go. Go ahead. Really? Inside, 2-1. I'm fucking this kept dropping. 2-1. Come on. No, next to it. Right next to it. 3-1. D-Rag! 2 right there in that corner. Full count. 5 out of town. We got 3. Let's go.
Hey, good job, guys.
ahead.
Jake, Zach, Josh,
You are, you
Greg,
heard?
Cam.
Need some? You are?
Getting rid of the rigor mortis.
Oh, and then how about what? I know Jay, there's Steve, but there's strike. Here we go. All balls, don't let them go.
Come on, Jake, throw us off your butt.
All right, here we go.
Go, Jacob.
Go, Jacob. When you got played in 2025. Jason. He's never given us the ball. You can beat him. You hate players. Right.
Oh!
Nice shot. Come on, Josh.
He didn't want you at first, but then you have good. Back! Hey, that's the one on the street, 1-1. Yeah.
You want to throw in another one, Cody? Yeah. Is that what he said?
What's wrong? What's wrong with the ball?
Oh, that one right? It's too hard.
Hey, here we go. Hold on. Strike two right there, limit. Here we go.
Come on, Chucky.
Go, Cam. Inside. You got it, yep, you got it.
Come on, Cam.
Hey, we got one.
I know, but it's like you're ready.
Oh, yeah.
That's over. That's over.
Come get us back! That's four! Four!
You gotta go, Jacob! Cancel on your ass! Up, 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 up.
Come on, guys. You got this.
67. I'll fuck with you, man. We did. 86.
There was only one.
Oh, yeah. Cadillac down.
Way to do a job, man. I hope I mean to go back and use this one, but you be picking them up, right?
No, I'm not those.
Come on, Chuck, you got this. Bring it over.
Everything stayed inside. Everything headed toward in. Yep. Two down. Five. Yep. Foul! Need the ball, guys. Foul. Need the ball.
Straighten that out, Theo. Hey, stay level. Be patient, kid.
Hey, if you guys want to, put some out here like they do, and I'll get them for y'all. Yeah, bro. Let's go. Gotta be fair. Get through that ball.
Spot, Theo.
Get the bag. Get the bag.
Way to wake up.
Hold it. All right.
Hey, good stick, kid.
Hey, let's get this one. Come on. Under
Two
two.
down. We got two. Yeah, you pull it. There you go. And I'll grab it. Yeah, they got two out there. Two down. We got two. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Somebody over there. Hustley, here we go. Hustle
Good
it up.
job.
He fell down. Hey, let's go. That's his last warning. Hey, how many did y'all get? 4 on 1.
9-4.
So 9 on 1, 4 on 1. That's what we got, right? Hey, we got 9-4. We got a barn burner. 9 on 1, 4 on 1. Everybody got it down.
Mackey's at Hunter.
Thank you.
No,
Yeah, no, I got you. Yeah, I got you. I was just curious.
But they ain't said you're good. They're good.
Cam, you can move out of the way when the ball comes.
I'm getting a little up there now.
That's all for you here.
Does it work? Yeah. So listen, I'm having trouble. So what you talking I looked this up. Hey, they want to give us the ball. It's called a 9-strap. And they said they showed us the strap around. Put the strap around and the end part hangs. You hold it in after the other hand. But everybody's hitting my block. I don't even hit a home run. Check it out. Look up. $25.
Hey, Mackie.
But I was wondering if it really got the what? Here we go.
Go opposite.
Top second. Top second. Here we go.
Run, run, you got it. Come on. Way to be, Mackey.
You said 9-5, right? 9-4, 9-5. 9-4, yep. 9-4. We got no outs. Here we go.
Go, run, Zach!
Hey, he let him run last time. Here we go, Clay. No, outside. Oh, I thought you said D-Rag! 2-2-2. 2-2. Guys, it's very slow.
Let's go. Let's go, fellas. We got
2 down. Just caught it in play. 2 down. We got 2. 2 down. Play. play.
Hey, way to be ahead of Katie.
Hey, he'll back up in.
At least Tyler can hit the ball.
4. Two. 2 down. Got 1 in. 10-4. Fight.
All right, let's go, baby.
84 years old, right? 84.
Hey, or
He's in the senior.
Good job, Ray.
Foul! You ball! I got it. Hey, gotta be fair. 2 down. Gotta be fair.
There's one over here.
Hey, here. Hey, coach. Right here.
I really don't understand how they do it. I feel like you always get to
2 down. Right. Inside, 21.
That's the only thing I regret about
Hey! 2. Full count, gotta be fair. Play.
Hey, girl.
That's 3. Here we go. How many did y'all get? 4 more? 3, 12. We got 12-4. Is that what you got? 12-4, 1-1 apiece. 1 home run apiece. 12-4, bottom of the section.
I know. Shit. I was already thinking about throwing it. I should have come. Yeah.
Because he had one more step when you picked it up on running.
Jordan, Tony, Cody, Johnny. Jordan, Tony,
12-4, here we go. Give me a batter. Batter! Oh, double elimination. Here we go. Oh, that's pretty good. Come on, guys. Here we go. 12-4. Double elimination. Come here.
Come on, Jordan.
Here we go. 12-4. Bottom 2. Start. Oh, we got 1 down.
Gotta hit it.
One down. Hey, so I finally made it full time up here.
I don't want you to feel like you have to.
I got a buddy that does that every bar we walk into. Good Lord.
Actually, he did. Actually, he did pretty well. Okay. He knows the work.
Come on, Cody. Jake. Stop the lineup out of John. Come on, Cody.
Hey, just get a run. Hey, you don't got to touch me. Go ahead. He's a pitcher. That's what I said. Hey. 2-1. Happy. Back. Way back. 2-1. Yep. Right. 2. That's better. That's better. 2-2. 2-2.
Oh. Easy, Tony. No.
Oh, good hit, bud. Nice out here.
Hey, place it first. Up the gut.
No. 2-1. 2-1.
Oh, 1-1.
Out. You okay, Dick?
Shot. Wait till he gets shit.
I always got to try to touch somebody. Very good. 1 down.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. 1 down. We still got 1.
Easy.
I mean, 2, I'm sorry. It is 2, I'm sorry, I apologize. Are you the umpire? Yeah. It is 2. My bad. I forgot the one hit off him. I forgot the one hit off him. Fire! Game,
I meant to bring the pistachios.
Right, I got a whole bag on this thing.
Did you want
Hey, let's go, get off the field!
Good job, Tony! Hey, crouch, on! Yeah, sorry, there were 3 that inning.
12-7, we got 12-7, right? 12-7. Bottom of the third. I mean, top 3, yeah, because you got the hand. Top 3. Yep, 1 home run apiece. Top 3. Let's go. Hey, we got a score here. Come on. 12-7. That's not even close. Yeah, I was worried about him, but I didn't worry about that.
Yeah, that was the one I had called it.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one that hurt. Oh, here we go. Top 3, 12. Oh, here we go. Right. 2-1. Third one, just back. Yeah, just back, yes sir. My fault.
I do. Totally, I don't. I mean, like that discussion,
Nope. Let's go, guys. We're about it. But he don't push it. That's the he got. Like that, don't cheat. Here we go. Give me the runner for the picture. Give me the runner. Give me a runner for the picture. Let's go. Hustle out there. Here we go, batter. We got none. Hustle. Let's go. Here we go. We got none. 12-7. Play. D-right, 2. That's the limit on the height. Hey, 1-2. We gotta be fair or pleasant.
Easy.
Hey, we still got 0. I mean, walk. Yeah, good walk. Hey, 12-7-9. No. I got 0, guys. 12-7-0. I mean, 13-7-0. D-right! 2, 1-2. Gotta be. 1-2, gotta be fair. Drive! Out! No! One down. Touch it with add it together, then he tried to throw. Then he made the turn. He said he touched it with the glove.
Touch it with the glove. Ball was out of the glove.
Here we go.
You won't get yourself ejected.
I can't.
Hey, bring that
That's
one
unfair.
Move down. Play.
There you go.
Three.
Oh.
Good, Mr. Ray. That might probably be a mistake now. Very bad. Hey, get a runner. Get a runner. Over 50. Stop it. Stop it. There we go, bro.
25.
See right. That came through. That came through. 1, 2. Oh, yeah. Go. 2, 2.
Bravo.
I know it would have, but I'm like, it's kind of.
No, I'm saying, I know you want to get your swing down. I got it. One down. One down. Here we go. Go ahead. Cut. Everyone's get him. Yeah, babe. Double. You
Triple for him.
One down. Yeah, the wind, you know what I mean? It's like cold air. Oh, it's your best.
Hey, Ray, over 50?
Yeah, over 50 gets a runner, yes. Correct. Mr. Ray can get runners too.
No, he's not.
No, he gets 2 runners.
I get 2. I'm
Over
70.
7. Hold on. Here we go.
See, that's why he needs a runner. He's so slow.
Correct. 1 out. 2-1. 1 out. 2-1. Here we go. Go get it, Zach! Go get it, Zach!
Down. I think that guy messed him up.
Down. That is a dick move, Joe. That other guy did that. The other guy acted like he caught it. The other
You're an easy, Tyler. Cadillac.
Say? One down. We got 1. Correct. 1 out.
Let's go, Tony.
2-1. 2-1. Hey. Touch base. Good job. Our senior team would have been second.
Tommy would have played seconds.
Yeah.
If he had a field.
I never like playing with him, man.
Hey, 1 out.
2 down. 2. Next 3, man.
Hey, look at ACL.
4.
Easy.
You're up. Stop. You're up.
Way to feed up.
Inside the blocker.
Nice shot.
Hey, we got 2.
Come on, Tony.
I mean, it doesn't count as a home run as one of your 3. Is what I meant. It's a home run. Here we go. 2 down.
4 minutes there, we'll take it.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go. That's 2 of them. Let's go. Hey, he's selfish. He's hitting solos.
Need a ball, guys.
Got her ball.
No.
Come on, Cody.
He's up.
Hey.
Watch that ball.
Hey, here we go. Let's go. Come on, let's play. Don't worry about the ball. Let's go. Yeah.
Let's go. Come on.
Go, good swing, babe.
Hold it.
Hey, Dio, 2 down. Be smart now.
Come on, Johnny.
Oh, let's go.
Keep it rolling here. Hey, hit it through somebody. Come on.
Oh my God.
Two down.
Patient.
Play.
Good on.
Come on, Chucky, you got this.
Let's go, Johnny.
D-Rag, 2. You stupid. 2-2.
That one got a little curl. She was flat.
Go. full count. We got a full count, 2 outs. Full count, 2 outs. Here we go. Play. Oh shit! Grab it!
Is he all right?
It's not a play anyway. That ain't out of play. No, it ain't. Get the ball! Oh, no, you're right. You're right.
You said out of play?
What happened?
I think it came off the glove and then hit Johnny in the head. I think he got hit in the head, but it wasn't like
So we got runner at 1 and 3. Johnny had a single and he's over there.
Where was the runner before that?
I don't remember. Oh, first.
Okay, so he gets
Hey! Are you okay if we get a runner?
Yeah.
They said yeah, they're cool with it.
It doesn't matter. He normally doesn't remember his name, but he did get hit in the head.
Hey, that's right.
That's all right.
Cody, you got run for him. All right. I'm faster than you. Not every morning. Oh, shit. Come on, Jake. Let's break. Hey, that's everywhere. That's everywhere.
Hey, you gotta go get in the tent with Chewy and Matt. Hold it!
Johnny, you gotta go see Chewy and Matt.
Yeah, see Chewy and Matt, the team doctors.
Nice shot, Jake.
Hey, Zach, keep this rolling. Let's go. You gotta go get in their tent.
Did it hit you directly in the head or did it come off?
2 down. Hold up, your shortstop. Hold up.
Anthony.
Hey.
Skip this
You had the radar on that one.
Come on, guys.
Hey.
One more.
No, 2-1. Let's take. Hey, that's 3. Here it is. Hustling out.
Good job, honey.
Tie game. 14 up, fellas. Side? 14 up, fellas.
Guys, we're tied now.
At least it's over fence.
Tyler. Hey, TJ. That's
Let's go. Let's go. We got a hit.
Good babies.
See, babe, this isn't gonna work with her.
Oh, because she wants to be out here?
Yeah. See, look at her.
My knee hurts more than my head.
Bud, you know they're fucking bad. Bud, he hit that guy. He ripped the ball up, and he hit the other guy on third base. He rolled out. Here we go. Just a little bit. Over the shoulder. I got you. You okay? 2-1.
No, we're talking about something else.
Oh, 3-1. Hey, tie game. 14 all. Nope, outside. Bottom 3, 14 all. You got 14 all, right? Okay. I mean top 4, right? Top 4 means?
What just
Top 4. He walked. Top 4, bottom of top 4. Double, that's double. Oh, skip them. Hit the glove.
Hey, guys, make sure that they're
No, 2-1 short. 2-1 top 4. Go out. We need that. Hey, one time. 1 down. They got the hammer. I keep giving it to you guys. 1 down. 1 down. Top 4, 14 on.
Hey, Josh, touch and go.
Here we go.
Hey, Jordan and Josh here.
Get over there. Get over there. Keep going. That's 2 home runs apiece. 17. We got 17, 14.
Take 7.
Let's go get the ball.
14. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I got it, my baby. Oh, they both, you got the balls mixed now. Both of them there.
One is both of what? Yeah. I threw one down here between innings. I threw over here to you.
Oh, yeah. Both of these done. Here we go. One down.
Oh, there you go, Blakely.
Oh, yeah. Hey, this is the last inning. It's 9:56. I didn't know that. 9:56. This is the last inning.
Hey, so we got one more out here.
No. This is it. 9:56. We already went past the time. I gave you this one.
Got it. I'm sorry.
Here we go. One down. One down. Right. 2 right there. Right on the corner. What's up? No, sir. That one's due.
Did you write down the time?
Nothing's high. Oh, you let you know guys out here now. He touches this too. Go! So right now, 2 down. 3-0. 3-0 right now. 2 down. 3-0. Here we go. 2 down. Play. Nope. 2-1. Here we go. That's 3. You guys get 4. 4's the winner. This is it. 3-0. This is it. You guys need 4 to win. 4 to win.
Greg.
Josh,
Josh.
Am.
Oh shit, we in the heart of the lineup, fellas. Let's go.
Line up right here. Let's go.
We in the heart of the lineup. We need 4 to walk it.
You have to. You don't remember. You already said that. Ties, you got to go.
Play another inning, but you need 3, guys.
You got to play another inning. 4 is the win. Yeah, it doesn't revert back. It does not revert back. So if they get 3, you guys got to go another inning.
Gotta hit around.
Got to have a winner. Huh?
Right.
Oh, yeah. 9:05. What's your minute?
Don't.
Everything's to be seen. Come on, boys. Oh, here we go. Hey, if it's a tie, it does not revert back. We go to another inning. Oh, yeah, hold on. Ball to the field. Here we go. Here we go. Play.
Time, boys. Come on.
Here we go. God, yep. This is it.
Come on, Josh.
And 1. 1 down. 1 down.
We're allowed 3 homers.
3 outs. And both teams got 2 home runs, right? Yep. Yep. They need 4 to win.
Come on, Greg.
1 down. Play. 2-1. 2-1. That's 2 right out, and that guy can catch it if you didn't know that. 2 down. I thought you were going to let it hit me. Because some guys can't catch. Some guys can't catch.
Come on, Cam.
2-1. 2-1. 2-1. No, 3-1, short. Short.
All good, Chalky, come on.
Real short.
There you go.
What are you talking about?
That was dude. We're back.
I'm
We're
back.
back. Hey, we got 1. I mean 2 outs.
And through someone here. Down the hard.
I can give it to a crosser, but they don't toss. They don't toss the ring. Come get it! If he catches it, that's the ball game.
God, are you serious?
Ball game!
No, I know he is. I know he is.
I'm gonna call to see where everybody's at. Good, hey, good job. Bottom of the hill. What was the bottom? I'm gonna see if he knows.
Yeah, it's almost not fair.
How do you think, like balls you won the first game?
Good job, boys.
Get off ball back. Yeah, I know ball people.
Consolation bracket.
Hey, oh yeah, you did. You're right. You were right. You play on field 2 at 12:30. 12:30. 12:30.